Farmers, this is the shovel that I recommend you start using, this plastic one. Hii hata unaweza jitengenezea and it is very affordable hata ukinunua, si expensive. Compared to the metallic one, this is the best of the best. Inakusavia flow. Your flow will last longer. Asanteni sana na mko karibu hapa Joel.